Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is going to be a come shopping with me to Barnes& Nobles. I'm super excited because I have not done one of these in like months. So this is gonna be a big shopping trip, big book haul. So it's going to be a little montage of me shopping in Barnes& Nobles, and then I'm going to show you guys the haul at the end of everything that I got. But I'm super excited to go because obviously I've been to Barnes& Nobles a couple times like throughout the months and like ordered books off of Amazon, but this is going to be a big book haul. I think I'm gonna be extra because I don't think I'm gonna get that much. Like my goal is 8 to 10 books, but like let's see what happens. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video, and let's get started. So this is my outfit. So I have this blue sweater from Aritzia. I have my black jeans from American Eagle. I'm wearing my Crocs right now, but when I do go out, I am going to wear my rain boots, my rain jacket, and my fanny pack. It is raining outside, pouring. It's gonna be pouring like this for the like next couple of days, which is crazy. But what else is there to do besides go shopping at Barnes & Noble? So I am stacked up with the books for these rainy days. So yeah, cue the montage. I got a whole bunch of books, guys. They're all up in this bag. I ended up getting a whole free tote because I bought like $200 worth of books. I have not done one of these videos in a while, so I get to treat myself, you know. We are going to get straight into the haul. So these books I have for my random TBR prompts video, so if you guys want to check out that video, I don't know if it's going to go up before this video or after this video, but these are the books, and they're Happy Place by Emily Henry, Once Upon a Broken Heart by Stephanie Garber, Lynn Painter's Love Wager, and Then She Was Gone by Lisa Jewell. So yes, this is going to be for that video. It's going to be an interesting one. So we got a lot to get through in this bag. We're going to get into like the love romance stories. So I got When in Rome by Sarah Adams, and she's the author of The Cheat Sheet, and I really like that book. I think I rated that book like a 4 stars, I believe. And I was like, why not read a quick read like this one? It says, opposites certainly attract for a stranded pop star and a small town baker in this charming slice of romance. Let's see what happens in this book. This is a cute cover, so we are going to put that right there behind me. Next, we got Yours Truly by Abby Jimenez, and I've heard good things about this author by Destiny Sidwell. So hopefully this goes good. This is, I think this is a new book that she came out with, and I haven't read any of her other books. So hopefully this one goes well, and I feel like this would be a fast read as well. Then I got a dark romance, I guess you can say. I don't know how I'm gonna like this. I bought the first book of, I don't know what the series is called, but this is The Brutal Prince by Sophie Lark. It says A Match Made in Hell, so I don't know. This is gonna be a really interesting read. I got the other 2 books. I'll put them on the side when I'm talking about. I was gonna get that, but I think I'm gonna read this to see how it is, you know. This one I picked up real quick because I had one book buy one get one 50% off, and I didn't end up picking up another one with the stickers. This one was at the counter, and it says Twins Separated at Birth, Reunited by a Curse, and it says Mirror Girls by Kelly McWilliams. I have not heard anyone talk about this one, so I'm hoping this is a good one, and you'll see how I rate this book. But it says, as infants, twin sisters Charlie Yates and Magnolia Heathwood were secretly separated after the brutal lynching of their parents. Now at the dawn of the civil rights movement, Charlie is a young black organizer in Harlem, while white passing Magnolia is an heiress to a cotton plantation in rural Georgia. So that sounds really interesting. So let's see how this goes. These 2 obviously are thriller, mystery kind of vibes. And we got The Wife Between Us. This has been on my TBR list for a while, so I decided to pick it up. It's by Greer Hendricks and Sarah Buchanan. When you read this book, you will make many assumptions. You will assume you are reading about a jealous ex-wife. You will assume she is obsessed with her replacement, a beautiful younger woman who is about to marry the man they both love. You will assume you know the anatomy of this tangled love triangle. Assume nothing. Let's see. And then we got this one. I think this is a new book, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, 2023. This book just came out. This is Not So Perfect Strangers by Ella Stratton. I have never heard of this author either, and haven't heard anybody talk about this book. Obviously it just came out, so I don't know. So this has been everywhere on Barnes & Nobles, and the girl that helped me, she was talking about how this book was pretty good. I should have asked her a rating out of 5, but she did a rating out of 10, and she rated it like a 7. So I'm not that picky, and honestly I was gonna pick it up before she even told me about it. So this book says, Tasha Jenkins has finally found the courage to leave her abusive husband. Taking her teenage son with her, Tasha checked into a hotel the night before their flight out of DC, and out of Cordell Jenkins' life forever. But escaping isn't so easy, and Tasha soon finds herself driving back to her own personal hell. As she is leaving, a white woman pounds on her car window, begging to be let in. Behind the woman, an angry man is in pursuit. Tasha makes a split-second decision that will alter the course of her life. She lets her in and takes off. Tasha and Madison Gingle may have different everyday realities, but what they have in common is marriages they need out of. So let's see. I'm saying that to every book because this is gonna be a new whole stack for me. This is gonna be interesting. Like, I was just going at it today, so I'm excited to read all these books. And the last 4 books, I have never seen a Barnes & Nobles actually do this. Let me know down below if your Barnes & Nobles does this, but they have wrapped the books and did it as, you know, a blind date with a book. And I found this super interesting. I was super excited because I'm not gonna wrap my own books just because I already know what's gonna be behind it. So I feel like that's not fun. So getting these are gonna be really exciting. So this one is mystery, fiction, romance, and young adult fantasies. Let's see how these go, and I'm going to open them up, but my camera is deciding to have low battery, so we are going to change the battery up. Okay, so we are going to open these up. So this one is the young adult fantasy. So this is a little blurb that was up in the front, and it says, a girl offers to take half of her sister's prison sentence and learns there are fates much worse than death. A thrilling fantasy about the unbreakable bond between sisters for fans of Ember in the Ashes and Sky in the Deep. So let's see what's in this one. It says Sisters of Sword and Song by Rebecca Ross. Wow. I would have never picked up this book, so this is gonna be an interesting one. This is definitely fantasy. This one is a fiction book. It says a coming-age story that follows a Harvard freshman as she discovers and invents herself through friendship, love, and academia. Hilarious and naive, but relatable narrator. Beautiful prose, first love set in the late 90s. Interesting. It says The Idiot. The Idiot by Elif Bautuman. I probably butchered the name, but here it is. Definitely another one that I would have never picked up. These are interesting covers as well. Next is mystery. It says a small child is found wandering alone, and miles away the body of a man is discovered floating in a bathtub. Two seemingly unrelated events that bring about disturbing discoveries, enthralling and unnerving for fans of Little Darlings. This is so exciting. Feels like Christmas. Okay, The Hidden. This is a book that I just picked up the other day. This is The Hidden by Melanie Golding. Oh wow. This is just way different than what I read in the back the other time, so I would have never guessed it, but this is a book that I already picked up, so let's see what I end up doing. Maybe what am I gonna do with the book? I don't know. Give me ideas down below what I should do. And this one is a romance. I forgot to read it. A romance, and it says, what would you do if your dream man turned out to be real? A woman wakes up from a car accident with memories of a man who doesn't exist until she meets him. Romantic, captivating, and filled with beautiful twists and turns. And this is so cute. It says, from Barnes & Nobles to you. And guess what, guys? I have found a Barnes & Nobles that I really love, and it's like more farther away from my house, but like I think that's gonna be like my go-to Barnes & Nobles, so I'm very excited to go there each and every time. This is a book that I ended up opening. This is Dream On by Angie Hockman. I've seen this before, and this cover is beautiful. Purple, this picture. I can't wait to read this actually. It says, when law grad Cass Walker wakes up after surviving a car accident, she is flooded with memories of a man named Devin. The only problem, Devin, as confirmed by family, friends, and doctors, doesn't exist. Everything about him, from his coffee brown eyes to the slightly crooked angle of his pinky to his high weightage charm, is a figment of Cass's coma-addled imagination. Still, she can't get him out of her head. So when she happens upon the real Devin a year later in a Cleveland flower shop, she completely is shocked. Even more surprising is that Devin actually believes her story, and despite her protective older brother's doubts, they soon embark on a real-life romance. With her dream man by her side and a new job at a prestigious law firm, Cass's future seems perfect, but fate might have other plans. Wow. That is going to be a roller coaster. So these are the books that were in the blind date reads. So those were the books that I ended up getting. I am super satisfied on the books that I have picked up this time. Like, I'm like, no more books for now, hopefully not. But I'm super excited to read those books. You will see them in upcoming videos, probably for like 24-hour reading challenges or whatnot. But that was all the books that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.